In this video, I'll show you how to install and set up Firefox on a Firestick TV device. Before we begin, it's strongly recommended to use NordVPN on your Firestick. NordVPN helps protect your privacy, secures your connection, and keeps your browsing safe on a TV device. You can get NordVPN using the link in the description. First, turn on your Amazon Firestick and go to the home screen. Navigate to the search icon at the top and type in Downloader. This is the app we'll be using to install Firefox. Select the Downloader app from the results. In my case, you can see it's already installed. If you don't have it yet, download and install it, then open the app. Before we can install Firefox, we need to enable developer options on the Firestick. To do this, press and hold the home button on your remote control for a few seconds, then select Settings. From the Settings menu, go to My Fire TV. If you already see developer options, that means it's enabled and you can move on to the next step. If you don't see developer options, select About, then choose Fire TV Stick. Now, press the select button on your remote 7 times. After a few presses, you'll see a message on the screen saying you've become a developer. Once you see that message, go back to the previous menu and you'll now see developer options available. Make sure Apps from Unknown Sources is enabled. Now, go back to the Downloader app and open it. In the URL or code field, type in 28907 and press Go. Wait a few seconds for the page to load completely. Once it loads, scroll down slightly until you reach the Categories section. From there, select the browser's category. You'll now see a list of available browsers. Scroll through the list and select Firefox. This will open a new page with the Firefox download information. Scroll down on this page until the download button appears. Select the download option and wait for the Firefox APK file to finish downloading. Once the download is complete, the installation screen will appear automatically. Select Install and wait for the installation to finish. When it's done, you can choose Open to launch Firefox right away, or Done if you want to open it later from your apps list. After installing Firefox, go to the App section on your Firestick to find and open it. For easier navigation, you may want to connect a Bluetooth mouse, since Firefox works much better with a mouse on a TV screen. You can also sign into your Firefox account if you want to sync bookmarks and browsing data. Before you start browsing, open NordVPN on your Firestick, sign in, and connect to a server. This will encrypt your internet connection and protect your privacy while using Firefox on your TV device. Use the link in the description to install NordVPN on your Firestick and browse securely with Firefox.